Good morning, dear students. Yesterday, I taught you about the OL types and UL types. Means in the order list, you can further make the types, and same in the unorder list, you can further make the types. Today, we will do nested list. It is not a type of the list. What is the nested list? A list within the another list. A list within the another list is known as the nested list. Means suppose one list is going on, under that list you can make the sub list, that is called the nested list. For example, here on the screen you are looking one web page is here, example of nested list, it is printed there. Under it, first, second, 2 points are here. These are the printed by the OL tag. Number 1 and 2 are printed by the OL tag, and under the one it is the input device. Under one, input devices are given, which are keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, trackball, and digital camera. And these devices are having bullet, which is example of the UL tag, and here its type is square. Yesterday I taught you types of the UL tag. How it is possible? Means one list is going on OL, it's having number 1 and 2, under which one more list has been started, which is UL. How it is possible? I am showing you its program. Have a look here. In the first line it is given font color equal blue, so naturally the font color will come blue. After that, example of nested list, it will print in the bold character because B for the bold. After that, OL, order list, means number 1 will be printed. OL for order list, I told you. Number 1 will be printed in front of input devices. After that, we are using UL. Inside the OL tag, we are using UL, means it will be the sublist of the order list. And a list within the another list, I told you, is called nested list. Now one list is going on input device, under which sublist started. It is keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, trackball, and digital camera. After that, we have closed the UL tag, means an order list is completed here. After that, the li tag is used, means earlier OL was going on, and by using the OL, 1 was printed. Now in front of the output device, it will print 2. After that, again UL tag, it will print the disk in front of the monitor, printer, etc. Have a look. In front of 2, here it is monitor, printer, impact printer, non impact printer, and here the UL type is disk, means a list within the another list is called nested list. So dear students, even though if you face any problem, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.